Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to protect the carpet in your BMW X5, you're going to want to get some really nice rubber mats.
So we live in a place that gets a lot of rain and we can see a lot of mud in our cars. Our BMW X5 was getting super dirty all the time and we just didn't want to ruin the carpets, so we were really happy to get these BMW all-weather floor mats. Since these are a genuine BMW product, they are designed to not only fit perfectly, but have the quality that you would expect. They are rugged and durable and easy to install, also easy to take out to clean. You can see here that these have been well used with lots of dirt and mud, but they are definitely doing their job. They have a Velcro connection that gives them a really secure fit, so they aren't going to be moving around on you when they are installed in the floor. We really love the design and function of these mats. And we also love the peace of mind knowing that we are not ruining the carpet in our car.
So we are super happy with these mats, and that is my point of view.